My people, draw your chair near me. May we gather us down. Check the paper of today. May we see how the headline be. Today, 17 November 2019, or Sunday. Let's check the paper. Edo people, make una come see una brother, see them. See Edo 2020, who will save APC? Does that mean APC is dead? If APC died, now the whole show now. Osho Baba. And the name where they call him be that. That's small brother. When you find where nine. See, they decide. When we put her for job, so now be the Osho Baba. The former governor, he say, Godfather is na sin. The time we want it out, but no, it won't be Godfather. Be Godfather to everybody. Basaki say no. Nothing be my godfather because I senior you. The sister made the check our face where I see if I pass you. I'm not talking. No, I'm not talking that one, I'm not talking. But the bill I said the two fashion. The problem don't start since, but now the thing don't take another dimension. People don't even they cry for those days say for sure they not remove hand, wahala go boss. See now the battle is getting tougher. We are watching. They use our personal TV till they watch them. Now they don't they cry say APC if you lose the election. They could they watch. Join me they watch us. Maybe they watch them too. Yes, we could they watch them. Join me they watch them. If you not get past my come back house come watch, okay? Thank you. See this one. This one will make you laugh. Bye bye. Baby, beloved giant panda is leaving DC for China in a private jet. Hey, see the animal. Private jet that they want to carry and go. You don't enter private jet for your life. This animal now, they zoom. They don't tire in this now. They want to transport and go China. And they want to put on for private jet. Like say when Buhari go for treatment, you want to go back, you can use private jet. You know, you can use private jet, take carry and go back. Go China. Nonsense. Beggy, make them go rest. Okay, make we see another one. Court issues arrest warrant for suspect in Italian kidnapping. See, this woman, they call her Miss Romano, a volunteer with Africa Meleli Olus, non-governmental organization. This woman come Africa, what we call volunteer, meaning then they work, they know they pay them. This woman come say make them go do what we call rise in literacy. Now they call them. What they call make them do what they call raise literacy. They call it mission is to raise illiteracy level. Because the science for Africa, the level of illiteracy don't too high, where people don't even know how to read and write again. Now they come say they want to help Africa. They can go one country, particularly where they call Kenya. For that they do the work now, I see say now Igbo, trust Africa. Because they say now Igbo. And they go package the woman, they pack it and now they can go put her for one place. Look. See the place where they kill somebody? They keep her for inside this place, they keep her here. So they can't keep on there, never made them stay there. The woman can't stay there. So police come here now, they do one thing or another, they can't go rescue the woman. Now they don't sue them, go court. Since last year, now this incident happened. Go court now, these people they don't agree, they show face for court. Africa, nothing will not happen for Africa. Court order will disobey. Court will say, we not agree court. When Africa go learn? I beg, we will leave this place. Go another one. This one pay me well, very sad. Polytechnic student, Lokoja Polytechnic student, when they use, they will go for outdoor hall assignment yesterday for election in Kogi State, where we can't talk say the boat capsized. They don't report say they died, all of them died. this one they be don dey work for how the state go take better o. Now they don lose their life, and the person when he go come now, e fit no remember their family. Well, we pray maybe say the person wey go win this election make e remember these people family, because na people children lost their life for that river, so they actually dey work for their fatherland. May their soul rest in peace.